Welcome to SciFi Calculators. Let's take a look at our Ohm's law and power calculator. Just enter any two known values, like 104.5 for voltage and 4 for current, and hit calculate. Instantly, the tool solves the rest of the circuit, providing the exact resistance and power alongside a real-time schematic loop. Scroll down to explore the underlying formulas, step-by-step guides, and practical examples verified by our scientific reviewers. But that's not all. Our platform features over 1,000 free, highly accurate calculators for students and engineers across physics, chemistry, and mathematics. Whether you need to balance a complex chemical equation or solve advanced physics problems, we have you covered. Visit SciFiCalculators.com today.